Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off the auto features that they have in CapCut PC, like the main track magnet, auto snapping, and etc. So I'm just going to add a video here. So what main track magnet is that when you disable it, you can practically move around everything like in any space. But if it's on and I put this in the main track, it's going to snap it to the beginning. Also, this one is auto snapping, so if I disable it and I place it anywhere, it won't snap to this white line here. But I actually like having the auto snapping, so I do enable it so that I can snap this in place with that line. I don't really use linkage, and this is just like this yellow line. I don't really use it as well, so you can just turn it on and off by clicking on the icons. I do like having these two enabled though. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!